Mama Berna, you're all set to get wet. Oh, ayan oh. Meron ka pang bateng-teng, wetsuit, booties. You're complete. You're excited to go scuba diving. Let's go. Okay, so ayan ang lobby ng Bellevue. And we're going to pass through their place to get to the bangka. And it's 2 p.m. and we're ready to go scuba diving. Oh, gaganda ng mga koys dito oh. Kala nila papakainin sila oh. Gaganda ng mga puno dito sa anong klaseng puno kaya to? Very nice. Ito na, lapit na tayo sa infinity pool. Okay, so let's take another 360-degree angle of this very beautiful resort, which they call the Bellevue here in Panglao. Yan ang Bellevue. Ayan si Mama Berna, ready sumakay ng bangka. Gusto talaga niya mag-scuba diving palagi at to witness the giant sea fans. Ito ang beach nila, Berna, no? Okay din ang beach dito, malinis eh. Ang ganda rin ang quality ng beach, oh. And they have a wide beach area. Oh, ang dami palang area dito for sunbathing. Yun ang maganda oh. Naglagay sila ng pier doon para sa gustong mag-snorkeling. Oh, saan tayo maglalakad patungo doon? Ayan na, dyan na siya? Saan? Nandiyan na? Uy, oo nga ano. Oo nga ano. Ayun, ayun sila. Okay, natin. Oh, ayun, signboard niya. Oh, okay, let's go. Next time, pagkalaki ni Dylan at ni Evan, yung aking mga grandchildren, gagawin ko na silang scuba divers para they can join us on our scuba diving expedition. So, merong dive shop dito. Scotties. Yun nga lang, we prefer to dive with Eden Dive. Ayun ang boat ng Eden Dive, nakaparada sa tabi lang ng Bellevue. Yung aking magiging dive master, naalala ko pa siya. Ito na ang Eden Dive. Kumusta na kayo? Ayos? Ha? Ikaw yung nag-dive master sa akin noon, di ba? Ayos. Eh, alam mo na yung gusto namin, di ba? Alam na. Magkamukha kayo, magkapatid ba kayo? Ha? Ha? Oh, may kasama tayo.
Samahan ko lang kayo.
May kasama tayo. Ha?
Sa magandang babaan ng 40.
Ano? Koreana? Very beautiful Korean. So pretty. Berna, kuna muna kita. Kuna kita na isang photo. Berna, tingin muna.
Ano?
Okay, kuna lang kita. Eden Dive.
Can I take you to...
How do I call you?
Ta.
Ta. Oh, that's easier. But you said a while ago, taon, right? Oh, ta is easier. Okay, all right. And you've had 100 dives. Wow, you've been diving a lot.
But I'm training. Still training.
You're training to become dive master? Oh, wow.
To become the instructor.
Oh, okay.
Training.
If you have a boyfriend who's the course director, then he will teach you how to become instructor for free. Anyway, this is Eden Dive. It's a Korean company, and I met the owner. But right now, the owner's in Korea. Yes, his name is Jin-Ho Park. Correct? Jin-Ho Park? Yeah, hi Jin-Ho. I'm diving again with you guys. And thank you for giving me a very good dive master. He knows what we want. Okay. All right. So we're in the boat already. And we have Already the tanks ready. So I suggest my friends to go to Panglao to try Eden Dive. Yes, especially their dive shop is located just here in Panglao. Specifically, their dive site is Dolho. Dolho, yes, and that's the reason why we're here, because of the diving in Dolho. And right in front is just the Bellevue, as you can see, and they park their pickup there and their boat right here on their beach. Ayan, ang aking dive master, si Marlon. And you get spoiled by having a good dive master, because when you enter the boat, they fix everything. All the gears are already prepared. And the dive site is just nearby, just about 3 minutes. Wow, good service. May tubig pa. Sige ako, mamaya na. Yan ang service. May pangalan pa. Galing. I'm a diver. Ang galing. Actually, there are so many bangkas if you dive Dolho. Well, the dive site from where we came from is not so far. The boat there are probably divers of well, hopefully Eden Dive. So that will be our destination. Well, they're just using 40 horsepower, which is very good enough if you have about 4 to 8 divers. Marlon, saan ang akin dito? Saan ang akin? Yan ang akin. Oh, sige. Okay, so 6 kilos ang nandyan, ha? Alright. Yan ang maganda. Hihinga na lang ako. Hihinga na lang. At oo. Syempre ayusin lahat ni Marlon yan. Diba, Marlon? Yan, sineset up na ni Marlon yung gear ko. Yan, si Berna may pateng-teng. Importante yung pateng-teng para if you want to make a noise, divers can hear you, because you cannot talk. So you use what you call a pateng-teng. Ayan, inaayos mabuti ni Marlon. Nakailang dive ka na today, Marlon?
Ito lang.
Ha? Ito lang?
Kasi wala masyadong guests.
Walang guests? Wala masyadong mga Korean guests? Okay. Alright. Kung bukas magdadive kami, kailangan ba 2 o'clock? Hindi pwedeng 3 o'clock? Pwede rin pala eh. Yung pala Berna, pwedeng 3 o'clock.
Bakit ka?
Ayan, inaayos na ni Marlon yung bateng-teng ko. That is to signal another diver. Ayun, daming construction ngayon dito. Kasi we are across an excellent dive site. Yes, that's Modala. You can also check in there. Some divers already finished. Daming cranes. So hopefully pagbalik namin dito, marami na namang construction. I think these are divers in front of us. Sige, small, medium, pwede. Walang problema. Maliit naman ang pa ako eh. Yan yung small size, ha? Ito yung mask ko, meron ng toothpaste. Palilinis ko na lang kay Marlon, kasi para matanggal yung toothpaste. Toothpaste is important para it's always clear when you dive. Okay. Sige, patong mo na sa akin dyan. Patong mo na. We don't have any underwater camera, so everything is just on the surface. Okay. Alright, syempre, briefing is the most important. Let's go. Let's listen to Marlon. Ayan, inaayos pa mabuti ni Marlon yung mga bateng-teng bago mag-dive briefing. Okay.
So, unang dive natin, sir. So, ang pangalan pala ng diving spot natin ngayon ay Hidden House Reef.
Hidden House Reef. Okay.
Itong lahat, ma'am. Dulo ba?
Dulho to.
Kasi,
Yung
kasi, by point. So, ang pinapangalan namin dito, area na to, Eden House Reef.
okay.
Eden House Reef.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so ito pala, so ang ito wall and slope. So, ngayon, ang diving natin ngayon maybe 40 meters.
Yes.
Ikaw, sir, okay lang?
Yes.
40 to 35.
Yeah, no problem.
So, our diving time, 30 to 35 or 40 like that.
Yes.
So, it's depend on air. There's only maybe 40 bar, 50 bar, 50 to 60 bar. So, kailangan na natin mag-safety stop.
Okay.
Okay, so now, I think not so strong current, so we go this way.
All right.
Right
So,
shoulder.
yeah. So, kailangan na mag-ingat tayo sa lionfish at saka yung stonefish kasi yung stonefish palagi yung nasa wall and then pag palagi tayo dedicate ang wall kasi yung stonefish camouflage yun.
Okay.
So, baka hindi natin na baka mahawakan natin. So,
Sige.
okay.
Basta doon ako sa mga giant sea fans.
Sipan,
Okay.
marami din dito.
Oo.
Kaya nga,
Marami ring
yung
giant sea
request
fans
mo
dito.
dati.
Ha?
Kaya yung request mo dati.
Oh, yung giant sea fans. Okay.
Okay.
Basta
All right.
doon tayo sa in 40, yung pinakamagandang 40.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Okay. So, start na
no
tayo.
underwater camera. So, that's it. All right.
So,
Let's
meron,
go.
Meron pala tayo ng GoPro.
GoPro. Okay.
So, siya lang magdala.
Okay.
So,
Meet sa iba.
you have a GoPro,
Tapos sabay-sabay tayo.
my friend?
Babagal lang ako lumayo.
You have a GoPro with you?
Of course.
All right. Send me the video, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Diving down.
Okay, thank you.
Kung nandun pa sa taas, okay lang. Sa konti-konti ako, pwede
Okay.
naman kayong lumalim ng konti-konti.
Let's go scuba diving here with Eden Dive. So we start our descent and we don't have an underwater camera, so we're just showing you the beautiful sea fans that you can see every time you dive this famous dive site called Dolho. Yes, so much sea fans, and these are not just regular sea fans, these are really giant sea fans from 10 meters to about 40 meters. You're going to see them. So next time you go to Panglao Island, dive with Eden Dive and visit Dolho Sea Fans. Marlon, maraming salamat sa iyo, ha. Magkita tayo ulit sa Facebook, ha. How do I call you again?
Oh, Doc.
Ha?
You can call me Doc.
Doc.
D.A.
D.A. Da. Okay. We'll be friends on Facebook, ha?
Okay.
And I will upload this so you can see.
Okay.
Send me on Messenger, ha?
Okay.
Okay, Marlon. Thank you, ha? Okay. I'll see you soon. Okay. So we just had fun with Da and the Korean girl, and also Marlon, who is our dive master. So again, I would like to recommend Eden Dive every time you visit Panglao Island here in Bohol.